Hi, it's the Bargain Bounty Huntress here. I just got in my order from AnsTOP. This is for an anti-slip silicone gel iPhone 11 case. I ordered mine in pink, and I'm going to be reviewing it today and unboxing it today for you. So let's see how it goes. Let's get to it. So this is my order that I got from AnsTOP, and I am anxious to see what this case looks like. And I do have my iPhone 11 here to try it out, and I'll let you know what I think. So as I'm unboxing this, or unbagging it, I don't know why I keep saying unboxing when it's a bag. Just tear at the perforation. Okay, let's go over scissors. So this product has a 4.9 star rating out of 5, and it goes for $16.99. Okay, what do we got in there? Oh, let's see. Okay, so that's my order right there. So this is the case. This is how it comes. Probably not great that this came out in a little bit broken. I'm hoping, yeah, it doesn't look like it affected the phone at all, but you can see this edge is broken right here, and the whole back is cracked. Oh, yeah, something happened during shipping, but it doesn't seem to have affected the case itself, so I think that'll be okay. So this is the pink color. They come in a few different colors. They come in black, green, pink, red, and white. They're made to be slim but protective. And it's nice that it's silicone, so that makes it a little better with non-slip. I know for me personally, the case that I'm currently using is just a little generic case, and it's very slippery. You can see it's shiny. And the problems I have with this one is that it slides off of everywhere. If I put it down anywhere that's not like a flat surface, if I have it on the couch, it's a slippery surface, and it always falls off the couch. And then the other thing is my baby tends to come up behind me and right out of the back pocket. But I'm hoping with silicone, if it's non-slip, it'll definitely help with that. He won't be able to steal it as easily. So I'm gonna get opening this. It's already kind of open, but let's see. So it opens pretty easy. There it is. One neat feature about this is that it has microfiber on the inside. I don't think I've ever really seen that in a phone case before, but they say that it helps to keep it a little bit more protected. So I'm just feeling this. Yeah, it feels pretty good. I don't think it's gonna break that easily. Well, I should have done that. But I'm gonna stick my phone in it and see how easy it is to get it in and out. Yeah, that slipped in very easy. I know some cases, the one I had currently, it takes a little bit of effort to get it out. So this is nice, yeah. I like it. Let's see. One thing it talks about is that it has good button sensitivity. Looks like it does. Let me put in my Face ID. Yeah, has good button sensitivity. Yeah, very easy. And it says it has easy access to all your buttons, which I will agree with that. The whole back is open here, so that would be easy for charging and hearing the speakers. And then it said it was designed to come up a little bit above the camera, which I'm seeing right there. Yep. So that should work pretty well. The color is nice. It's just a very flat, mild pink color, very pale pink. It does feel nice. Yeah, I'm excited to try it out. So some of the other things it mentioned on the site was that it helps protect against fingerprints, and obviously with silicone, and there's nothing that would catch a fingerprint at all. So I think with a little bit of time, I'm gonna give it a few days and just see how I like it, see how it holds up in my pocket, and just see how it holds up to the beating that I usually give my phones, because I'm very terrible, probably like some people. I'm very terrible at dropping my phone. So we'll see how it holds up. So one other thing that I forgot to mention is that it also advertises that this case is compatible with wireless charging. I currently don't use a wireless charger, but if you do, it's compatible. So I'm not going to be testing that aspect of it, but I will be testing it for durability. Okay, so I'm back. I've had this phone case on all yesterday and today, and I was able to put it in and out of my pocket to test it that way as well. And so far I do really like it, and I think the silicone does make it easier for my needs. It doesn't slip off the couch as easy, and it definitely is harder to get in and out of my pocket, which I know some people probably don't like that, but I do like that better, because then it will ensure that later on it won't slip out. And again, like I mentioned in my earlier video, it'll be less likely that my baby can come up behind me and steal my phone. So I do like it. I would recommend it. The only thing I'm a little worried about over time is, if you notice here, the protection does go all the way around, but here it's not protected. So I guess I'm a little worried with how much I beat up my phones. I usually invest in bulkier cases because I tend to drop everything. So I'm just a little worried over time that this is going to be the issue, and I might bust it right here. But if you are not like me and you're a little easier on your phones, then this probably won't be an issue for you. It is kind of nice because with the bulkier phone cases that I've had over time, they do have terrible button sensitivity and terrible screen sensitivity. And sometimes they've sounded really awful, very muffled. So I think overall this is a good case. It stayed clean. Not that I ran it through the dirt or anything, but it looks like it will stay clean, which is nice. It looks like it wipes well. So overall, very good. I like it and I would recommend it.